three components. What were the three components again? Aiden, what's one?
Eat smart.
Eat smart. What's another one? Brayden.
Play hard.
Play hard, so exercise. What's the third one, Edison?
Sleep.
Sleep. So our hearts are going to be about the three components to having a healthy heart. Okay? And in this video, it's going to talk about how the heart kind of works, and you need to pay attention to a couple words. Veins and arteries. Okay? That's how you get blood to and from your heart. Okay? So here we go.
I missed my vein.
Something like a runaway train.
That's because your body's working hard, which means your heart and lungs have to work harder to get oxygen through your body. Wait, that's the answer. The heart.
Isn't the answer always in our hearts?
Well, yes, but I meant the answer to the riddle. I think they've taken her to the chambers of the heart.
Oh, yes, exactly as I suspected.
They may have the head start, but we have the advantage. We know the circulatory system.
We do?
We're going to follow this vein directly to the heart.
Hear the word?
Crying River, we're taking us on this.
Were they going to or from the heart?
Verb, it's blood.
To the heart.
Your veins carry blood to the heart, and your arteries carry blood away from the heart.
Away from my heart? Is that safe?
It's not just safe, it's necessary. You need blood everywhere, from the top of your head to your toes. And arteries and veins, called blood vessels, are how the blood gets there and back again.
But why? What do my toes need blood for?
Your body is made of tiny cells that all need oxygen. It's your blood's job to bring the oxygen to every part of your body, including your toes.
So how does this oxygen get in the blood?
The lungs bring oxygen into the body when you breathe. From there, it has to find its way to every other part of your body, and the blood is its delivery service. The heart pumps blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, then pumps the oxygenated blood out to the rest of the body. After the blood has delivered all the oxygen, it picks up carbon dioxide, a waste product. Then the blood goes
What color
back
did
to
it
the lungs
change?
to drop off the carbon
Blue.
dioxide and pick up more oxygen. And the whole process begins again.
The circle of life. Chloe, how long are we going to be on this boat?
There's no earthly way of knowing. The oxygen just keeps on flowing. And the eyeballs keep on rowing. And they show no signs of slowing.
Oh, my biscuit stuff.
Okay, we're here.
Okay, it goes into a little
This
too much detail about the heart. We'll see.
Steelers. Here we come.
Nerd, blood is going that way.
Here we come.
We started in the right atrium where the blood enters the heart. From there, we follow the blood through the tricuspid.
What color is the blood? What color are they right now? As
Red.
they enter the heart.
Blue.
They're kind of a blue, right? They come in through the blue. Okay. Okay, pay attention to the color.
Keep blood flowing into the right direction. Next, it took us through another valve, the pulmonary this time, and through the pulmonary artery up to the lungs. That's where the blood loaded up on oxygen. We all left that place fully oxygenated.
Red.
Did it through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. Then, at last, through the mitral valve. And into the left ventricle.
The final. Pinky
It's
Gang,
a part of the heart.
how could you be?
So that's it. He found his mom.
The Pinky Gang has taken me to the final chamber
Turn it over.
for our Monday morning yoga and meditation class.
But
Okay.
blood
All I
through
wanted to
the
show you
nose.
about this video was that it showed you the colors of the blood. So if they were blue, did they have oxygen in them or did they not have oxygen? Do you
They
remember?
had oxygen.
They had oxygen.
The blue is still oxygen.
The blue had no oxygen because the blue was
Because
coming
if you
from
hold-
your body to your heart. So it was taking the bad carbon and taking it to your heart. The blood leaving your heart is the red oxygenated blood because that's the blood that's going to the rest of your body.
Because it's like, if you don't have any oxygen, like sometimes your face turns purple.
Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it, right? It kind of turns purple bluish color, right? Have you ever seen that when your oxygen, have no oxygen?
It
Can't really
takes a
breathe?
couple minutes though.
Yeah.
Then you'd probably be dead if you had a couple minutes.
Yeah, so that's why breathing oxygen is necessary for your whole entire body. But I just wanted you to say that. So the veins do or do not have oxygen? Kaylee's giving a thumbs up. They do have oxygen. Is that right? No, Riley, they don't have oxygen. The veins come to the heart. Arteries are away from the heart. The blood going away from the heart has the oxygen because they want to go to your body. The blood going to your heart is the body that was already there and already got rid of all its oxygen. Okay? So just remember those two words. Yeah, back to the heart because it already delivered the oxygen where it needs to go. Does that make sense? It's kind of hard. You don't really need to understand too much about that. Just know that there are veins and arteries in your body, okay? Okay, the other one was part of just like your muscle, because your heart's a muscle. So that was just part of exercise that I wanted to incorporate. And then sleeping, obviously, is a big part. And then I also wanted to talk about some vitamins real quick. And I set that book right there.
Netflix.
No, we can't do Netflix. It's during school time.
I want to watch TV.
Okay, you can do that when you get home. It's almost time.
I don't have Netflix.
You are what you eat.
I have Netflix at my mom's house. I lost privilege to watch.
You lost privilege? Well, why'd you do that for? What's in your food? This is what I want to read you. What do you think about when you take a bite out of a juicy peach or crunchy apple? These foods taste good and they are also good for you, Emily. They contain nutrients that your body needs. As your body digests or breaks down the food, the nutrients are released. Important nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each kind of nutrient works differently in your body. Okay, let's talk about vitamins.
I take vitamins.
Good, you should.
I do. I take tons of medicines.
Okay, your body also, give me 5. Refocus. I love your vitamin stories, but listen, your body also needs tiny amounts of vitamins and minerals every day.
It's kind of little.
Vitamins help turn other nutrients into energy. They also help build bones, body tissues, and blood cells. What do vitamins do? What did I just say?
Help the blood cells.
Oh, Riley is listening so good. These help build bones, so you need vitamins to build bones, protect your body tissue, and blood cells. Okay, and they can also help protect you from diseases. So vitamins are very, very important. So that kind of goes with nutrients. That's why you have to eat healthy food, because all of it makes for a healthy body. Yes.
I have like these gross vitamins, but they help you a lot and a lot.
So they don't taste very good, but they're good for you.
I have to drink water after it because I need to get the taste out of it.
Yeah, I know. I have some yucky vitamins too, but they're really good for you. They're important.
These are the two kinds that I don't like.
Okay, last one's Aiden, and then we have to talk about the heart.
Vitamins and the orange.
The lemon and orange.
Okay,
Okay, no, that was the last vitamin story. You can share it later, okay? Okay, on your heart, everyone take a look at your heart. You're going to decorate it however you want, but it needs to incorporate the veins. So you need to talk about veins and arteries that we learned about. What could that possibly go under? It could probably go under your exercising your heart, right? Because that's part of exercising. Yeah, you can draw. That's a good idea. Braden asked if he could draw veins and arteries on his heart. That's kind of cool. Because they go to the heart, right? Make sure, what was that? So we talked about exercise. Exercise needs to be on there. What else can you draw for the next component? Sleep.
Eating. I'm going to draw all the things you have to do to make yourself have a healthy heart, like sleeping.
Perfect. As long as you have what 3 components, Kaylee? Healthy eating.
Gotta do sleep, and you gotta do
play hard, which is exercising or working out. Okay, go ahead and start on that because we don't have too much time before recess. You can draw whatever you want. Just make sure you have all the components.
How do you spell
You can stop.
that?
Perfect.